It's time to strap our boots on. This is a perfect day to die. Wipe the blood out of our eyes. In this life there's no surrender, and there's nothing left for us to do. Find the strength to see this through. We are the ones who will never be broken. With our final breath,
go ahead.
We'll fight to the death. We are soldiers. We are soldiers.
Almost like watching paint dry, isn't it, folks? Fish on. Well, yeah, when you're catching fish like that, Jesus, Mike. What's that? Is that complaining? Here I am back in the passenger seat. Yes.
Let me hear your battle cry.
There it goes! All right. We're in them. Here we are, folks. Oh, 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 oh. Might as well break it off. That's all we're here for. Water was higher. Seems like it'd be better in low water, but I don't know where I was going with that. This cast looks a little good.
We stand shoulder to shoulder. You can erase us, you'll just have to face us. We stand shoulder to shoulder. We stand shoulder to shoulder. We stand.
Oh, there's a fish. That a kid. I like it. Whoa. It's off. Here we are, folks. Again, watching paint dry with Mikey Axon. There it is. It's the key. Oh, oh, there it is, folks. There it is, folks. Yell it. Yell it so they know. Wait, hold on. Wait. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh. Take notes, guys. See how he's doing it? See how he's got his hold back arc? Constant reeling. That's the key. You got to keep turning that handle no matter what. Hear that buzzing noise. If you don't hear buzzing, it means you're not doing it right. Yeah, it is. Son of a bitch. Keep reeling. Rod tip up. Keep reeling. Jesus, dude.